The next thing that we're going to look at is using the gradient tool to turn an image into black and white. So if you look at the top right-hand corner in your adjustment panels, if you're not seeing it, check its links to libraries. It's in that third layer, and it's the one all the way to the end. This is a gradient map, which is a little bit different than just the gradient tool. You're going to click on this. You have the option to reverse it. You also have the option to click in it and go in and start to edit it a little bit if you want by clicking right in that bar. And then you're going to click OK when you're done. The last thing that you can do to play with the contrast in this image is you're going to go to the third tool, which is called Curves. And you can see from the histogram, this is these up and down, it shows where the darks and lights are within your image. And then this curve, you're going to place your cursor on, and you can move and make these lights darker or these lights lighter. So you can see right here, they're still they're lights, but I'm going to pull them up. You can see how it makes that lighter right away. The best way to learn how to use curves is really just start to experimenting. You're placing points on your curve, and you can start to play with it quite a bit. So if you want your darks darker, but you want to be careful not to blow out too much of an image. So that's gradient maps and curves.